Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face unlock feature doesn't recognize your face properly. So in such case you'll have to set up a new face model for your device. To do that, go to Settings, then select Security and Privacy Settings. In Security and Privacy, scroll down to Device Unlock, open it. Now select Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Select Face, and if you have any previous face data face models set up on your phone, remove them beforehand. And once you're ready, use the dry towel to wipe the surface of the frontal camera, just to make sure that you can clearly see yourself in it. Be careful not to break it, and also make sure that the lights in your room are properly set up so that you can see the most features of your face in your camera, so that you can ensure yourself the best experience. When you're ready, click Add Now and proceed by adding a new face model. Just look directly in the camera and wait until your face is added. And when you're done, let's go back to Settings, select System and Update, Software Update, and make sure that your device is up to date. And just in case it's not, take your time and install the last software version for your smartphone to make sure that your software is in touch with your hardware. And before we proceed, let's make sure that the changes applied by restarting the phone. So hold down volume up button and the power button at the same time, select Restart and wait until your phone reboots, and then we'll check how the face unlock feature works. Okay, let's unlock the device and let's check the face recognition feature. And as you can see, everything went smoothly for me, and I hope that it did for you too. And in case it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.